everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to encrypt or decrypt selected cells with Kutools for Excel. The VBA method to encrypt or decrypt cells is a little complex, but if you have Kutools for Excel installed, you can use encrypt cells and decrypt cells utilities to quickly get it done. First, select the cells you want to encrypt. Next, click the Kutools Plus tab. In the security group, click the encrypt cells. And then enter and confirm the password in the encrypt cells dialog. I will type ABC123 as password and I will confirm it, ABC123, and choose one encrypting type in the mask section. I will select string and I will type encrypt. Click OK or apply button, and now the selected cells are encrypted. As you can see, they are all encrypted. If you need to decrypt the cells, select them and click the Kutools Plus tab. In the security group, click the decrypt cells and enter the password to decrypt them, ABC123. Click OK or apply, and as you can see, the cells are decrypted. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.